Hello everyone. If I ask you which tool usually you use for screenshot in computer, most probably you will answer that you use default sniping tool. But today I will share with you something new and different, and most probably you will like it. So let's go. In your browser, first search this tool LightShot, and LightShot, here is the first one is the website for LightShot, and go to this website, download LightShot. This is a sniping tool for computer, basically for Windows and Mac. So I download this tool for Windows, and after downloading I will click on it and set up for this. Okay, so now I am I am doing setup for this tool. Okay, setup is complete. Very easy setup, and this is a free tool, so no need to pay any money for this tool. This is basically this is Windows default sniping tool, and I am going to show you something different, and which is called LightShot. Now I will open this LightShot. This is the LightShot tool. Okay, after opening this LightShot, you will see a button in your taskbar. So click on this. Now you will show select area. I am showing you just an example. I made this area for a screenshot, so I select this whole area, and you will see here is a lot of function, and you can direct print from here, or copy this area, or print this area, or you can save this area in PNG format, or you can here you see many tools like pen tools. This is pen tools, and here you see line tools, and you also see rectangle tools, and here is a lot of function. You also see text tools. So here is a lot of function, but if you use Windows default sniping tool, then you will not see this extra function. So if you want to use the sniping tool or snapshot tool for any purpose, you can use this LightShot tool. This is very effective compared to Windows default sniping tool. And after doing this, you can just copy this thing or save this thing. Now I go for copy, and I will open, just wait a minute. I am opening a Word file, and you see this is a blank Word file, and if I paste this, you see this whole thing is pasted here. So this is very effective and easy tool for making a snapshot or capturing window or anything. So I hope this tool is very effective for all of you. So that's the end of this video, and I make a comparison with sniping tool, default sniping tool. If you use this default sniping tool, you see here, just click on new. Yeah, you can make this new, but you cannot. Here is another function I want to show you. If we use this default sniping tool, you cannot change this picture image size, left, right, or top, bottom. But if we use you see, this is the LightShot tool. If we use this LightShot tool, just click on the bottom of your taskbar, or in print screen from keyboard, just press print screen from keyboard, then you select this area. Okay, then after selecting this area, if you want to change this area in your desired length and width, like I want to make it 300 by 300, then how I will do it, you see here it is now 300. Okay, and this from top it is now, okay, this is 300, and now this is, okay, this is now 300 by 300. So if I capture this, like you see, if I place it here and just copy this thing and go to the previous file, and if I paste here, you see, if I pasted, this is only 3 by 3 300 by 300 block, and this is very easy for any fixed or specific size, but you cannot do it in default sniping tool. So I think this tool will help you very much. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoy this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.